Hello and welcome. Today we're working on Chapter 6. We're in Cash and Internal Control, and I'm just talking about the playlist here just for a little bit. We're in the Principles of Accounting sequence, and we are looking at Cash and Internal Control. Now, what we have is I've got articles and videos and playlists, so check the description below. So here are the videos in Chapter 6. The very first chapter, or the very first video rather, is on cash and cash equivalents. So kind of the idea of what is cash and what are cash equivalents. Then the next one's on internal control. Internal control and fraud are some good topics, and especially pay attention if you're taking accounting, then your professor may really emphasize internal control and the fraud triangle and things like that. So I have a whole video on that, so you make sure you're in good shape on that. And then one of the big problems in Chapter 6 in cash and internal control is doing the bank reconciliation. So I've got two different examples of how to do a bank reconciliation. So let's get started with cash and cash equivalents. See you on the next video.